1969 Ford F150 dash, and we're taking out the instrument cluster because we're replacing this. This is kind of a general video on how to take this instrument cluster piece out for whatever reason you're going to do it. So we got a bolt up here, bolt down here, and bolt down there in the corner, bolt up there. Basically there's 4 bolts holding this. I forget if you need to take that one out, might not be a bad idea. So they're 8mm I believe, or 7mm. I'm using 7mm to get them out. And do not forget to disconnect this park, reverse, neutral, drive, shift deal. It's under the dash. Let's see if I can get it. It's actually disconnected right now, but you're basically looking at where it screws in, and then there's a hook up there. You'll see it from underneath the dash here. So you just need to disconnect it from the hook up there. The little wire hooks onto it, and unscrew that, and then you can pretty safely pull the instrument cluster out. It is kind of a tight fit as the line feeds up there. This cable doesn't necessarily want to come out easily, so take your time. And then there's 2 electrical connections on the back, and I also loosened 2 bolts here, again 7mm, one here. I think it helped a little bit to flex this up because this was not coming out that easy. Tilted it this way so the glass is facing up, and managed to get it out. It came out to the left a little bit, and there's enough wire and stuff for the 2 connections. It just laid up here. I never had to take it out. So hope this helps you out. I'm actually going to go backwards in and show you what pieces need to come out a little bit. So this piece fits in there. The 3 bolts here, and there you'll see a couple bolts. There, nothing there. Oh, there's a bolt there, and the headlight switch assembly. A couple friction fits there. It's the back side. So that will go on next after I tighten up these bolts inside. Going to feed this into place. It kind of tucks around that in the lip area, tucks underneath there. Well, look at that, I gotta put those 2 screws in. Distracted me there. So we got this piece in here, get your screw there, there, 3 screws up on the top, in there, and we'll just tighten those babies down. Then we got this baby right here, of course. Fits there. All friction fits on the back. So you should be able to snap it in or snap it out of place. A little screwdriver, a little prying action. And they're pretty much all nice and neat now, snapped into place. Over here. The headlight switch, really the toughest, trickiest part of them all. Whoa. See, it's got these notch thingies here. Really just one there, I guess. And that is the knob. You can see it's turned upside down. We'll plug this in first, and we'll get to the trick. So we have removed the knob. As you can see, it's upside down. And that actually controls now the hook. So kind of cool. So we're going to put this into place. I think like that. Latch it into place. And now it's in place. See how it comes out? Now it's in place. Then we'll see about getting this knob off and putting it on right. Alright, I guess I'm hoping you can see it, but there's a little tang on the bottom with a hook. It does compress a bit. Here's our headlight switch. When it's on the right way, you can see there's a hole. So this is going to be on. I'm going to pull it off a little bit and reach in that hole and try and push this tab up probably and pull this off.
Oh, it's video time.
Always time for video. Click. Now it's on.
But look how it wiggles.
So you want to turn this, then pull. You can get in there with a little screwdriver. Did you use a screwdriver to push that little tang? But doom, just like that. See how beautiful that is? I reversed the procedure, so oh yeah, put it on like that. Click it. Nice. Click. Oh. Show them the right way.
It really works, people. I tell you.
That is the way to do it. Yeah.
Not today.
Oh, there it is.
Since they're causing problems.
Oh, maybe that's probably it. Yeah. So certainly we want it back in the headlight position. Put it in there, like that. And this will just pull off.
Oh,
Then we flip it around.
Oh, you turn it and then turn it back.
Something like
Now I
that.
got it.
There we go. And it's locked back into place. And headlights would work if we didn't have the battery disconnected. Step one of every electrical job, disconnect the battery. So, hope that helps you out a lot right there. To best see the hook, you do need to put this shift lever in first gear, all the way down. And then the hook will be available, otherwise if it's in park it goes all the way up kind of out of sight.